Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to hide apps and games on the Google Play Store. This is a great way to keep your Play Store clean, avoid distractions, and make sure certain apps don't appear for kids or family members using the same device. Well, we will walk through step by step, and by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to do it. So make sure to watch until the end. Let's get started. Okay, first, go ahead and open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Then, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. From the menu, select Settings. Under Settings, tap Family. Then, select Parental Controls. Here, you will need to turn on parental controls. Toggle the switch to enable it. The Play Store will ask you to set a 4-digit PIN. This PIN will prevent others from changing your settings. Make sure it's something easy for you to remember but hard for others to guess. Then tap OK. Now confirm your PIN. Then click OK. Tap Apps and Games. You will see option to choose the maturity level of apps that can be downloaded. For example, you can restrict it to everyone or teen, or depending on your preferences. This will hide apps and games outside of the selected category from appearing in searches or recommendations. Then, don't forget to tap Save. And that's it. You've now learned how to hide apps and games on the Play Store. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future tutorials. Got any questions or tips of your own? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.